Got a camera set up here and a camera set up in my bedroom, and I'll just show you that now. There's the one in my bedroom, pointing that direction for, I'll show you, a lot of fireworks go over there, especially on bonfire night. So hopefully I get some good images, and then I'll load it all up, cut it all into pieces, and then load it onto the internet for people to see. Hopefully it's good. It will be after this, so I might even set this camera up and put it on time lapse. Might get some good pictures. Anyway, see you in a minute if it does work out. Anyway. Well, that's the end of that video anyway. No, it weren't that spectacular, and what you saw is not as good as what I saw from directly from my windows. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video that's coming along. I hope it doesn't get too cold tonight, because I'm going to bed now. See you all later. Well, that's the editing and the video all done. Oh, now I'm off to bloody bed. It's very late. There might be a few pops and bangs going off at the moment, but I'm not going to wait up all night trying to video it. So I know some of it wasn't that spec. What the hell is wrong with my bloody gimbal? Crap. Stay still.